Hello my dear students. So first of all, belated happy Deepavali to all of you. I hope you all have enjoyed your Deepavali very well. And now it's time to get back to your studies. So let's get started.
Class 4th, we are continuing your chapter number 10, metric measure. So today we are doing your measurement of capacity. So what is a capacity? Capacity is the measure of how much a container can hold. So basically capacity is related with your liquids. Okay. So greater will be the container in which you are carrying the liquid, greater will be its capacity. For example, the capacity of a glass carrying a liquid is smaller than the capacity of a bucket carrying that liquid. Okay. Now the standard unit of capacity is liter. Okay. What is the standard unit of capacity? That is liter. The units of capacity greater than liter are kiloliter. So there are some units of capacity which are greater than liter. What are they? First is your kiloliter, which is abbreviated as K and small k and capital L. Okay. Next is your hectoliter, small h and capital L, and decaliter, DA and capital L. Okay. The units of capacity that are smaller than liter are deciliter, which is abbreviated as small d and capital L, centiliter, small c, capital L, and milliliter, small m and capital L. Okay. Now students, here I have written some relationships between different unit of capacity with liters. Okay. So first is unit of capacity greater than liter. Okay, so there are some relationship between the units of capacity that are greater than liter with liters. Okay, so 1 decaliter is equals to 10 liters. 1 hectoliter is equals to 100 liters. And 1 kiloliter is equals to 1000 liters. Clear? Now the units of capacity that are less than liters. So 1 liter is equals to 10 deciliters. 1 liter is equals to 100 centiliters, and 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliters. Among these all, the most commonly used units of capacity are liter and milliliter. Okay. Now students, we are going to learn the conversion, how to convert a bigger unit into a smaller one related to your capacity. Okay. And I have written the short forms and all the units related to capacity over here. That is your kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centiliter and milliliter. Clear? So your first question is convert 8 liter to milliliter. Now you can see liter is a bigger unit and milliliter is smaller as compared to liter. Okay, and I told you whenever you have to convert a bigger unit into a smaller unit, what you have to do? You have to do multiplication. Okay, so you will write 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. This I have told you before. Now you will write 8 liter is equals to 8 into 1000 bracket close milliliter. This is clear to you? I told you whenever you have to convert a bigger unit into a smaller, what you have to do? Multiplication. And why we are doing multiplication with 1000? Because 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. Okay. Now multiply this, you will be getting 8000 milliliter, and this will be your answer. Clear? Now question number 2 is convert 4 liter 550 milliliter to milliliter. Okay. So you can see this part, this 550 is already in milliliter. You only have to convert this 4 liter. So you will write 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. Clear? Now next line, 4 liter 550 milliliter is equals to 4 into 1000 plus 550 milliliter. Clear? Why I have multiplied this 4 into 1000? Because 4 is in liter and I have to convert this liter into milliliter. So I have multiplied this 4 with 1000, and why I have added this 550? Because 550 is already in milliliter. So it must be added to this 4 liter. Okay. So this will be 4000 plus 550 milliliter. Clear? 4 into 1000 will be 4000, and when you are going to add them, you are getting 4550 milliliter, and this will be your answer. Clear? Now question number 3 is convert 95,425 milliliter into liter. Okay. Now milliliter is a smaller unit and liter is a bigger unit. So you have to convert a smaller unit into a bigger unit. And I told you, whenever you have to convert a smaller unit into a bigger, what you do? You do the division. Okay. So you will write 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. Clear? So when you now you have to convert this milliliter into liter, so you will write 95,425 milliliter is equals to 95425 divided by 1000 liter. Clear? Now you have to divide it by 1000. Why? Because you have to convert a smaller unit into a bigger one. So I am doing the division part over here. Okay. So I will draw a box, start dividing it. It's 95425, and you have to divide it by 1000. Now 1000 nines are, because the first digit is 9 over here. So 1000 nines are 9000. Clear? Now you will do the subtraction. 2 minus 0 will be 2, 4 minus 0 will be 4, 5 minus 0 will be 5, and 9 minus 9 will be 0. So no need of writing it. Now it is coming 542. So you will carry, write down, sorry, not carry, you will write down this 5 over here. Okay, 5 is coming over here. Now it becomes 5425. So now 1000 5s are 5000. Clear? Now do the subtraction again. It is 5, 2 minus 0 will be 2, 4 minus 0 will be 4, and 5 minus 5 will be 0. No need of writing it. So I told you the this question part become the bigger unit. So what is the bigger unit? Liter. And this remainder part become the smaller unit. And what is the smaller unit? Milliliter. So after dividing, I am getting it 95 liter 425 milliliter, and this will be your answer. Clear? So student, this is your question number 4, and in this also we have to convert this 2500 milliliter to liter. It means we have to convert a smaller unit into a bigger one. Okay. So for this, first of all, you will write that 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. Okay. So you will write 2500 milliliter is equals to 2500 divided by 1000 bracket close liter. Clear? Okay, this I told you again. I am telling you that if you have to convert a smaller unit into a bigger one, you have to do the division, and as 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter, that's why I am dividing it with 1000. So I am doing the division. The division part over here, this is 1000 dividing 2500. Okay, so here it is 2, the first digit over here. So 1000 2s are 2000. Now do the subtraction. So 0 minus 0 will be 0. Here the 0 minus 0 will be 0. 5 minus 0 will be 5. And 2 minus 2 will be 0. No need of writing it. So what I am getting here as a remainder 500, and what I am getting in question part, that is 2. So I told you that this question part becomes the bigger unit. It means it is 2 liter 500 milliliter, and this will be your answer. Clear? So student, this is all for today. So we have done with the conversion of units related with mass and your length and capacity. Okay, in our next video we are going to learn how to do addition and subtraction in these units. Okay, so till then, take care.